Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, make sure you do well by clicking on the subscribe button. Like, share, make your comments. We'd love to watch out for it. So, we would be looking at gold for the next day, which is for the 6th of December. So, first of all, this gold is literally pulling back. So, I would love to see it pull back to a level of 2005. That is the level where gold will come to that level. So, once gold can hit a level of 2005 or 2004, within that level, expect a reaction at that level. But before we go ahead and continue, we're currently running on this mentorship program, which will be starting on Monday. So if you're interested in trading good professionally, like how to trade it on the fundamental aspect, how to trade it with the technical aspect, also on the sentimental aspect, if you would love to learn how to trade gold professionally, we will be offering the mentorship, which will last, for 2 months. Maximum it is 2 months. We would not be extending it to 3 months or 4 months or 5 months or 6 months. Everything will be covered in 2 months, and you will learn a lot because you learn how to analyze the charts like a pro, the strategies, psychology, key levels. Will be looking at the fundamental news that moves the markets, especially gold properly. Like interest rates, Fed rates, which is also interest rates, CPI, NFP, PPI. So every of these things will be covered, and you'll be taught on how to trade them, how to enter the trade, take profits and exits, indicators, chart patterns, risk management, trade management, everything will be covered. So if you're interested, you will find the link to the mentorship program will be in the comment section. So back to this analysis, like I said, I'm still expecting a further drop, one more movement, probably a correction face to the upside, then one more movement downward on gold. So once this pullback plays out, one more movement downward on gold. Once gold give us that push, a pullback, and it give us that one more drop, I'm going to give you guys an update next, because I would want to see what market does, because we are currently close to this level, and once market gets to these levels, yeah, market will give us a reaction. So once market gets to that level, I want to see how the way market is forming on that level. Then I'll tell you guys what to do next. I'll give you guys an update. So first a pullback, then a drop. So make sure you join the mentorship program. You will find the link in the comment section.